Is the Canada PR process in 2024 becoming a tougher challenge for everyone looking to immigrate? Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the world of immigration and explore the ins and outs of moving to Canada. Today, we're tackling a crucial topic that's on everyone's minds. Is the Canada PR process getting harder for everyone? We'll break down the latest trends, policy changes, and expert insights to help you navigate this complex journey. If you're considering immigrating to Canada, you're probably wondering what's changed and how to prepare. Throughout this video, we'll share tips, anecdotes, and expert opinions to give you a comprehensive understanding of the Canada PR process in 2024. So, let's get started. As we explore this topic, it's essential to understand that the Canada PR process is a significant undertaking. It requires dedication, perseverance, and a deep understanding of the requirements and challenges involved. By the end of this video, you'll have a better grasp of what to expect and how to overcome obstacles. Let's set the stage for our discussion by looking at the current state of immigration in Canada. As we enter 2024, the landscape is changing rapidly. Immigration policies are evolving, and the numbers are telling a story. Let's dive into the latest statistics and see how they compare to previous years. According to recent data, Canada welcomed a record number of permanent residents in 2022, with over 447,000 new arrivals. However, the process is becoming more competitive, and the number of applicants is increasing. This raises questions about the impact of these changes on different categories of applicants. In 2023, we saw a significant shift in the types of candidates being selected for permanent residency. Occupations in demand, language proficiency, and education level are just a few factors that are now being weighted more heavily. But what do these changes mean for you, the potential immigrant? The latest statistics show that Indians, Chinese, and Filipinos make up the largest groups of new permanent residents. But what about other nationalities? Are they being left behind in the process? These are the questions we need to ask as we delve deeper into the Canada PR process in 2024. Major changes are happening in immigration policies for 2024, and it's essential to understand these shifts. The Canadian government has introduced new requirements and challenges for different categories of applicants. From the Atlantic Immigration Program to the Express Entry System, there are many routes to take, but which one is right for you? For instance, the language proficiency threshold has increased, and applicants now need to demonstrate higher language skills to be eligible. This has significant implications for those who may not have strong language abilities. What does this mean for your chances of getting PR? Another critical change is the emphasis on occupational demand. Certain occupations are now given priority, leaving others in the balance. How do you navigate this new landscape, and what are the implications for your chosen profession? Let's hear from someone who has recently gone through the PR process. Sarah, a software engineer from India, shared her story with us. She faced significant challenges, but her perseverance paid off. Here's what she had to say. I applied for PR under the Express Entry program, but my language proficiency was a major hurdle. I had to take additional language courses and resubmit my application. It was frustrating, but eventually, I got approved. My advice would be to focus on language skills and gather as much documentation as possible. Or take the story of Ahmed, a doctor from Egypt, who faced challenges with credential recognition. I had to get my medical degree recognized by the Canadian authorities, which took several months. It was a stressful period, but eventually, I got my PR. My advice would be to plan ahead and start the credential recognition process early. These personal anecdotes highlight the challenges and successes of individuals who have recently gone through the PR process. They demonstrate that, despite the obstacles, it's possible to achieve your goals with the right mindset and preparation. Now, let's hear from an immigration consultant who has extensive experience with the Canada PR process. What insights can they offer to help you navigate this complex journey? I've seen a significant increase in applications in 2023, but also a higher rejection rate. My advice would be to ensure your documentation is complete and you meet the language proficiency requirements. Additionally, focus on building a strong profile, including work experience and education. Don't underestimate the power of a well-crafted application. As we explore the emotional aspects of the immigration journey, it's essential to acknowledge the psychological challenges you may face. Leaving behind family, friends, and familiar surroundings can be overwhelming. How do you prepare for the uncertainty and stress that comes with this journey? Remember, immigrating to Canada is not just about filling out forms and submitting documents, it's about adapting to a new culture, finding employment, and building a new life. It's normal to feel anxious or uncertain, but by acknowledging these emotions, you can better prepare yourself for the journey ahead. So, what practical tips can we offer to strengthen your application? Documentation is critical, and you must ensure you have all the necessary papers, including proof of language proficiency, education, and work experience. Don't underestimate the importance of language skills, as they can make or break your application. Another crucial aspect is proof of funds. You must demonstrate that you can financially support yourself and your dependents in Canada. This can be challenging, especially for those with limited financial resources. However, there are ways to overcome this hurdle, such as showing savings, investments, or even a job offer. Language proficiency preparation is also vital. Invest in language courses, practice your speaking and writing skills, and aim for the highest level possible. This will not only improve your chances of getting PR but also help you adapt to life in Canada. Now, it's time to address some common concerns or misconceptions about the PR process. What are some of the most frequently asked questions we've received from our audience? One common misconception is that you need to have a job offer to get PR. While a job offer can certainly improve your chances, it's not the only factor. Another myth is that the process is faster for certain nationalities. In reality, the processing time depends on various factors, including the type of application and the complexity of your case. As we wrap up this video, let's summarize the key points discussed. The Canada PR process in 2024 is evolving, and it's essential to stay informed and prepared. From the latest statistics to expert insights, we've covered a lot of ground today. Remember, immigrating to Canada is a significant undertaking that requires dedication, perseverance, and a deep understanding of the requirements and challenges involved. By staying informed and adapting to the changing landscape, you can increase your chances of success. If you have any questions or concerns, please comment below, and we'll address them in future videos. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative content on the Canada PR process and immigration news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.